beach is just the funnest when you're out and just so happy and you're in the water. Like here, we'll get like face paint, tattoos, and like a cartoon drawing and everything. Yeah, I got this one. Yeah, she also got one. Yeah. Is that great? I got these tattoos and this sharp one on my leg right here.
Yeah. I also got a dog one too. It's right here.
I mean, I've just been going in the water and playing on the mat with my friends, and it's been really fun.
Paddleboarding is really fun.
I went on all the kayaks and this stuff. We like swim underneath the blue mat and we do like cartwheels off of it.
My favorite flavor of ice cream? That's a hard one.
My favorite's chocolate.
Mint chocolate chip or banana?
Mint chocolate chip.
Cherry, blue,
I like
pineapple, mango.
vanilla or peanut butter buttercup.
Mint chocolate chip, peach, or banana.
One of those. Mine is mint chocolate chip or chocolate.
I gotta say orange sherbet. It just has a really good taste. It's very sweet. Probably cookies or cream. I like cotton candy.
I get strawberry, vanilla.
I like blueberry and cherry.
My dad's favorite thing to do at the beach, he likes playing football, and he loves being here with his buddies at Schell Brothers.
We're so glad our dads are at Schell because that means we get to participate in all the fun stuff.
Because we get, like, awesome stuff.
Yeah, I know. This stuff wouldn't even be happening if our dads didn't work for Schell.
Yeah.
This is just the best beach I've ever been on. I'm a lucky kid. Very.
Beach day is awesome.
Beach day is awesome.
Beach day is awesome.
Beach day is awesome!
Beach day is awesome.
Schell